myself Insiya Rajkotwala. I am from Jalgaon city. The webinar taken by Jumur ma'am. Actually, first of all, I was very worried that how I am going to take this webinar. Who will be my mentor? Who will be my educator? Who is going to lead me or guide me this 2 to 5 hours from 2 o'clock till 5 o'clock? How will I manage? But let me tell you honestly, by seeing Zumur ma'am, by her sweet smile and sweet gestures, and it was smooth function, you can say. And really, it helped us a lot for our future children and for my personal development too. I'm really blessed that I'm having you as a my educator, or you can say my guidance light. Thank you.